Come take a look at this 2006 Ford F-150 XLT. Carfax has certified this F-150 as having one owner. This F-150 has just under 46,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 5.4-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and fog lights. Call 800-375-2970 extension 235. Or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.